Back. I'm really excited to show one of the 4 dishes I'm going to make. Alright? Now cameraman, I know you've been missing my cooking. Do you really miss my cooking? Okay, no problem. You're going to enjoy this. The name of the dish will be, it's called boiled egg in coconut sauce. Yes, boiled egg in coconut sauce. Now come on over, come and have a look, come. Here of course, we have the main ingredient, which is the boiled egg. I've already boiled and cut into halves. Then we have sliced onions, a bit of sliced chili, we have coconut, oil, tomato, curry leaf, and all the condiments. Now of course we have the cracked pepper, salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. Well, turmeric powder commonly known as yellow powder. So if I say yellow powder, it is turmeric powder. Alright? So cameraman, let's start cooking. Cameraman, you have to come closer. Watch me. What the magic word? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Now we are heating the pan. Now the first thing to go is about 2 tablespoons of oil. Yeah, that's about it. About 2 tablespoons of oil. You don't need that much. Yes. And let it get warmer. Then what I'll do next is, here you see is finely sliced onions. We don't want thick ones, finely, okay? So what do we do here? Stir the oil a bit. Come closer, cameraman, have a look at it. Now look at that, it's getting warmer. And then we start putting the onions, okay? Here we go. Right, now what we do, can you hear the sizzling sound? Come cameraman, come closer, come closer. Alright, now we want the onions to caramelize, so it will give some sweet flavor, right? So we're just waiting for that to happen. Now keep on stirring because we don't want to, overcook the onions, so we have to keep on stirring it. Now it's about time to add some sliced tomato. Alright, we put a bit of sliced tomato here. Look. Alright, cameraman, please come closer. Have a look at it. Yes, look at that. Alright, now it's okay. Now, I like spice. That's chili. Well, this time I don't have a guest who's coming to test my food, so I'll put a bit more chili here. Here you go. Here you go. Now, look at the aroma. Smells good. Cameraman, can you smell it? Oh my goodness, look, now it's turning brown. Now it's turning brown. Okay, when it's turning brown, what we do, we lower the heat. Yes. Now we start putting some spices. Maybe half teaspoon of yellow powder. And again, chili is up to you. It's up to you whether you want. I put a little bit here. Okay, look at that. Now stir. Oh, smells good. Really smells good. Now, as you know, my cooking is known as NED. N-E-D. N stands for nutritious, E stands for easy, D stands for delicious. So remember, N-E-D. So all the man folk out there, it's easy cooking. Try it. Okay, now come on. Now look at this. Now when you see the onion is turning golden brown, then you start to pour a bit of coconut. Look at it. Yes, not all of them. Slowly, look. Now look at that color. Right. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to lower down the heat as well. It's a bit more. Okay. Right. Now, remember the curry leaf is up to you. If you want to put curry leaf, if you have it, just put it. If you don't, it's okay. I'm going to just put a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Right, here we go. All right. Look at that. Look, I can smell it. Cameraman, can you smell it? Oh my goodness, look. Look at that. Okay, now it's about time. I need to add some more of. I'll do in 3 steps. Here we go. Okay. Right. All right. Look, it's cooking. It's cooking. The coconut juice is cooking. All the ingredients are cooking. We don't want to overcook because when we eat with the bread or the rice, we want to feel the onion. You see? So look at that. Look. Okay. And now we can add salt. Let's see, a bit of salt. Up to you. How much salt you want to use? Up to you. And I like to use cracked pepper. Cracked pepper. It's up to you. You can use your light pepper, or I like to use a bit of cracked pepper. Okay. Here we go. Done. And down the third. Go. Mashallah, mashallah. Beautiful. Now the last part of the coconut. Look at the cameraman. Come closer. You have to stir it, and then yes, that's how you do it. All right. Okay, stir. Now let it cook for a while by itself. I'm going to cover it for about a minute. That's it. Cover it for about a minute. My sponsors show me some very interesting product, especially for those who bake cake, who want to separate the egg yolk with the egg white. You know, this is separator. They call it separator, and this is what it is. Very interesting stuff. I've been using in my cooking to separate the egg white and the egg yolk. Okay, this is what they do. They put it here, right? And then they take an egg. Did you see that? Cameraman, did you see that? How easy was it to separate the... Look at that! See? Now, you got the egg white and the egg yolk separated. What a beautiful thing. That's what I told you. Now, cameraman, come closer. Come closer. Look at, I'm going to open it. Oh, look at that steam. Okay. Well done. Good. Alhamdulillah. I'm going to off it now. And we transfer all the egg here. 1, 2, and 6. Okay. And then what do? We pour on top of it. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Well, there you have it. The boiled egg in coconut sauce. Try making it. You saw it. It was very easy. Few ingredients, and you try it yourself. It's delicious. Okay. I'll see you next time with my next 3 dishes using egg. Okay. Inshallah. See you then. Bye.